कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
नगर नियोजन कायद्यातल्या कलम 17(2) विषयी मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत आणि प्रदेशाध्यक्ष दामोद नाईक हांचे कडेन चर्चा केल्या. हे विशीं उच्च न्यायालयान दिल्ल्या आदेशाक सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान आव्हान दिवचें ना अशें नगर नियोजन मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी सांगले. प्रादेशीक आराखड्या बदला गोंयांत झोनिंग आराखडे करतले. उच्च न्यायालयान TCP संबंधी दिल्ल्या निवाड्या विशीं समाधानी आसा अशें ताचें म्हणणें.
I am very happy overall with the judgment of the High Court, and as a Minister for Town Planning, I am very happy with the overall understanding की त्या काय गोष्टी आमकां शिकपाक बी गावता. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे कित्याक की 17(2) जे लोक आणि जे NGOs म्हणटाले की unconstitutional 17(2) that has been upheld by the High Court, and it has been upheld by the High Court, and the people who are calling it unconstitutional have nothing else to say because they call it their victory or whatever it is. For me, it is a process of learning. As far as the 17(2) is concerned, that has been upheld by the court. What the court has read down is the bylaws and the rules of the 17(2). And काय हरकत ना, कारण 17(2) चे जे bylaws and rules हांवें सदां सांगल्या गोंयकार आनी गोंयचे लोक आनी जे कोण गोंयांत येता इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करपाक त्याच बरोबर त्यांचे कितें जे असतात ते सांबाळपाचें काम सरकार करता, कायद्या प्रमाणे करता. As far as the court is concerned, it has read down the provision and given it more clarity. It has upheld the constitutional validity of the law of 17(2), which is most important for us since the provision is in public interest, more so for the Goans who have suffered for years on account of errors and had nowhere to go with the mistakes that were there in the original regional plan on the state of Goa. Regional Plan 2021 and जे कितें चुका जाल्यो ते चुका जे जाल्यो तेजे खंय वाट नाशिल्ली लोकांक वचपाक. No doubt the rules and guidelines have been set aside for the want of better clarity. The guidelines have been set aside for the want of better clarity, which is not something that needs to be taken negatively by us. We are weighing our options with including considering the accepting the judgment and the making necessary changes in public interest. आम्ही जे कितें कोर्टान सांगल्या and जे कितें काय तेंचे वेगळे तरेचे एक इंटरप्रिटेशन आशिल्ले on the rules and bylaws, we are taking that also into consideration. Court has given a positive example of 39A. तेजेर बी ह्या लोकांनी चॅलेंज केले. तेजेर ह्याच जजमेंटान कोर्टान 39A, which further shows there is lot of positives to be taken out for us. The judgment is there for all to see in black and white. We expect the press to be fair in assessment and not get carried away by misleading, wrong and self-serving interpretation sought out by the petitioners. One should be graceful in accepting what is not favorable in the judgment while claiming the victory of the people, of course, but same time understanding the interpretation of the judgment of the court. The department is open and the government is open to take the understanding of the court and interpretation of the court on 17(2) rules and bylaws in a different way. I have asked for a board meeting to be convened at the earliest, and we'll take a group of experts. And I have just come back after a detailed meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister and my party president, Shri Damood Naik.